'cause I can't see you anywhere.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today I am getting it all done. That's right, everything that I need to do that's on my to-do list will be done today. I woke up super motivated and I just wanted to come share this same energy with you guys. In this video, I'm actually preparing for Mother's Day this weekend, so I wanted to give the house a good cleaning. I needed to get the kids' heads done because I know pictures are going to be taken. I needed to do their DIY crafts for Nana. I also needed to do some prep work in the kitchen. This video is in collaboration with my girl, Darnisha. Her channel name is That's Charming. Go ahead and head over so you can see her tackle her day. She also has a lifestyle channel and she is a boy mom. I will list all her information in the description box below. So after you finish watching this video, go ahead and head over and tell her that I sent you. Alright, let's get into this video. I decided to start off with my bedroom and the kids' bedroom because that was going to be the easiest thing on my list.
I swear I should go now, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
After I got the bedrooms done, my youngest son was extremely tired. It was his nap time, so I took a break and actually put him down. Now that he is asleep, I can get back to cleaning the kitchen.
'Cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know, I swear I should go now, I don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
heavy is that? Light work with the bass on the track on my face in the back.
Now that the kitchen is clean, I can move on to the next thing on my to-do list, which was redoing my son's hair and then my daughter's hair. I try to only do their hair maybe once every 2 weeks. Both of them are extremely tender-headed and it's just a lot of drama.
Is that light work with the bass on the track on my face in the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink but it's straight from the tap, and I'm hating the slack. Couple man stand around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
Next is arts and crafts. Mother's Day is coming up, so we decided to make a homemade card for Nana, aka my mom. So this is just the start of that, and then we will finish it another day. Now that the craft project is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and get back to cleaning the rest of the house. So I had to take another break and actually get some prep work out the way. I am going to be making a DIY cake out of cupcakes for Mother's Day, and I just wanted to go ahead and get them made, and then we will decorate them tomorrow.
'Cause I can't see you anywhere. 'Cause I don't wanna know what I should gonna want, don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I will stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
I wanted to give you guys a mini haul. I went to Dollar Tree to pick up some Mother's Day cards, and I found these cute decorations that I want to decorate the house in. So it's a lot of garland that I want to put over the fireplace. It's flowers. There's like a tropical theme in it. It was so cute. So I picked up some flower garland, and then I have just some regular garland, pink and white, and then I have some balloons that I want to do have an arch with. So we're going to see how that goes. I'll probably do that tomorrow.
No, I will stay around. So let me know where to go.
Alrighty, back to cleaning.
Let me know where to go. I wanna find you.
that is it. I feel so accomplished that I got everything that I needed to get done. Go ahead and head over to Darnisha's page. Her link is in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video.